Hey everyone, welcome back to Mockup, your go-to place for amazing mockup design tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to create a realistic coffee bag packaging mockup, step by step from concept to final presentation. Now let's get started. At first, select the pen tool and draw a shape according to your product. Now zoom the canvas. For press Ctrl+ button from keyboard. Then select Add Anchor Point tool and create a point and select the curve area. Now you can see the coffee bag font portion are selected. Then select pen tool again and click on the shape option. You can see the shape one layer is here. Now select the side portion with pen tool. Again select the Add Anchor Point tool and create the point and select curve area properly. You can see selected the side portion with pen tool. Then again select pen tool and click on the shape option. You can see the shape 2 layer is here. Zoom out the canvas or click Ctrl and minus button from keyboard. Turn off the shape 2 and shape 1 layer and select the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle for front portion. Change the color and Rename the layer Smart Object Front. Right click on it and select Convert to Smart Object option. Reduce the opacity and press Ctrl T button from keyboard for transform option. Right click on the rectangle and select distort. Adjust the 4 points according to your product. Zoom the canvas little bit, then right click on it again and select wrap option for curve area. Add the grid line from here. Just click here. Again add grid here. Then click on right option and hold Ctrl button from keyboard and click Shape One layer. You can see the selection area are visible. Select the Smart Object layer and click on Mask option. Again, draw a rectangle for side part. Change the rectangle color. Rename the layer Smart Object Side. Right click on it and select Convert to Smart Object option. Reduce the opacity layer and press Ctrl T for transform. Right click on it and select distort. Then press right option here. Fill the opacity. Hold Ctrl button from keyboard and click on Shape 2 layer. Selection area are visible here. Select the Smart Object layer and click on Mask option. Now double click on Smart Object for open in a new tab. Now drag your design here. Add some text. Now go to File and click on Save option. You can see update the smart object with design. Then again open this other smart object for side portion, double click on it. Again go to File and click on Save option. Edit text little bit. Now hold Ctrl button and Shift button. Ctrl and Shift button hold from keyboard and click on mask 1 and mask 2. Then select the background layer and press Ctrl J from keyboard. Drag the layer 1. Again press Ctrl J 2 times and rename the 3 layers: light, midtone and shadow. Turn off the light and midtone layer and select the shadow layer. Change layer mode normal to multiply. Then turn on the midtone layer and change layer mode normal to linear dodge add. Press Ctrl L from keyboard and adjust the levels point. Turn on the light layer and change layer mode normal to screen. Again press Ctrl L from keyboard and adjust the levels point. Then press OK. Now select the background layer and create a solid color layer. Then press OK and change layer mode normal to linear one. Now you can see your mockup is ready to use. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.